have constructed a duck boat. As you can see here, it has all the wiring and the propeller right here. I have 2 microbits attached for it to multifunction. Within this, it has a sound amplifier to make the sound better for the music, and a little shaped icon of a duck right here. So this microbit function, if we are going to press A, yes, and any sound function of sort, it starts to make a little giggle and the duck will start jumping. And if we clap, we'll make any sound. Within this, we have another microbit and it will show how the duck will move. It will spin 360 with the